I don't really know what day it is. I think I want to upload this on Friday, but I'd like to introduce somebody to you. Mega Blast. Crap! The size of my face! Never met anybody with a ridiculously ugly cry.
Peter Parker from Spider-Man.
Those people that you're not really sure if they have a stroke or if they're crying, because they're like, breathe! Breathe, William, breathe!
We lost Steve.
Steve.
Where did he go? I don't know.
If you enjoy my videos, you can subscribe and follow me on Twitter. I'll put a link down there. And yeah, bye! Doing video stuff.